Good morning. Day 5 begins now. Waking up in the comfortable confines of my sister's home in the greater Salt Lake area, Kaysville. She's not home. Morning party, Home Alone style. What will this day bring us? It's day 5, beginning Michael and Melissa siblings style. Begins now. Rice Eccles Stadium, University of Utah football. They've become something pretty good. Pac-12 members, or no, Pac-12. What am I thinking? There is no Pac. Big 12. They should join the ACC. There's the Olympic torch. Hiking to Lake Mary is at Brighton Ski Resort. So this is the ski lift. Not that you couldn't figure that out on yourself. Joined by Melissa. Beautiful up here, and we're just getting started. Although it doesn't feel like we just got started. So a slope comes down right through there, continues on through there. Hello, Melissa. So that's our first, actually, we passed our first snow, but it was covered in dead pine needles. So that's our first snow we could go touch if we wanted. There's another little patch back there. It looks like a heart, because we heart Brighton. Oh. Trail goes this way, actually starts becoming a trail right here. We have about 300 more feet to climb before reaching Lake Mary. We got this. Oh yeah, you can come right down here. Spot the chipmunk. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Rocks are getting bigger.
That's for real.
So on the final stretch of the Lake Mary Trail, which Lake Larry is a lake because of a really old dam, with the final stretch, the trail is basically a waterfall. Is that alarming? Should I be concerned about the dam? What's going on here? Certainly a unique finish to the trail. Lake Mary does not disappoint. We're at about 9,700 feet of elevation. I think we started at about 8,900. I'll double check that. How close is he? 100 yet? Porcupine. Mosquitoes eating me. Sacrifice videotaping. Hey, Porky. Pine. Porcupine. He doesn't care we're here at all. He's feasting. Look at that tail. That's huge. There we go. Well, we did it. Probably about 2.5 miles. Let's see. 2.62, we're almost there. Let's see. Elevation gain, 1,398 feet of elevation gain. There you go. Here she comes. So I believe this place tonight is going to show Indiana Jones. They'll have barbecue, live music. It's currently raining. Let's wait for Melissa. So Melissa and I just came down from there, as I said, 1,398 feet of elevation gain. That's some serious climbing. And we're almost back. So here we are, back to Brighton's base, I guess. We'll see you at the car. You're welcome. All right, we're back. Let's change some shoes and get out on the road. Well, day 5 is coming to an end. It's actually early day 6, so need to get to bed. What a great day it was. The Michael and Melissa siblings edition or whatever of the road trip is off to a great start. It had some great hiking, Lake Mary. What a hike at Brighton. I'll follow that up with a lake, a hike around Silver Lake, also in the Brighton area. Just unbelievable day of views in the mountains and time spent with the sister, and had some great meals too. A couple traditions: Hires hamburger for lunch and pie pizza for dinner. So fantastic day. I look forward to see what day 6 has. We'll see you then. It was a great day. Should have been there.